If I had a car like this, I would be like
BMW approved and Mini approved.
Carrozzeria La Moderna. Guys, body shop is not what you're thinking. Where are we going?
The body shop.
Body shop. Oh, guys, body shop is not what you're thinking.
Not the body.
Not the
shop.
body. Body shop is a shop in
We are
India.
going shopping in arm.
They own a car workshop. We are going there.
Yeah.
So they call it body shop. Let me put
No,
on my
I
pad.
call it because people told me that the name is body shop.
In India, we say car workshop. Workshop.
workshop.
Yes.
Car workshop.
Yes. Yes.
Every time we are in the car, we meet these people that are
Taking the garbage.
taking the garbage.
You see the garbage guys are very handsome here, 6 feet and good personality, good clothes. Maybe the government organization, those who hire them, or maybe they work for the government department.
No, for the city.
It's for the city department.
They can be also people that have they had been in prison, no? But now
Oh, in the prison. All right. So it could be the people who came out from the prison and now sometimes not everybody.
Not everybody.
Yes. So yes, here all the jobs are respected. It's not that you have a low profile or high profile job. Nobody actually cares about it. मेरे पीछे सूरजमुखी के फूल हैं और बहुत साथ उनके.
This is Superstrada.
What does it mean? You
There
mean
is
to say left?
Superstrada and Autostrada. Superstrada has two lines, two ways. Before, now you saw there were two lines of cars going the same way.
Okay.
If you go slowly, you keep the right. If you
Okay,
go
okay.
faster, you keep the left.
Okay, I understand.
And if you go to the Autostrada, it will be 3 lines. So it will be slow, medium, and very high.
And what is the bigger than that? Superstrada is 2, Autostrada is 3. Do we have 4 lanes?
No, it's rare. It's rare, very rare.
Yeah,
It can be.
I have seen 4 lanes.
So maybe it's a big.
It's like superway.
You see, this is the.
Oh, Mancini.
No. This is Carrozzeria.
Oh, Carrozzeria La Moderna. Wow.
You
So
see?
guys, we have arrived. This is the place. Let's go.
Wait. This is W approved and Mini approved. Means we can work with the
BMW cars.
We have specific
Equipments,
guidance.
equipments.
Yeah. This is the when the client comes. This is my place.
Wow, very nice.
And this
Very
is my
nice.
aunt's place.
Okay. That is your aunt. She's your auntie?
Yes.
Okay. Ciao. Buongiorno.
Now I'll show you the back part. The work, the laboratory.
Where?
God is everywhere.
God is everywhere. Very nice.
The car gives us the car for preparing them to be sell again. Like one person, I don't want anymore this car. I give it to you, seller. So they prepare the car and sell again.
Yes, I understand.
So this is when somebody bought that.
Okay.
He called us and he bring the car there here.
Then, so you repair
And
it, you do all the
things.
all things and
in this case we are make it brilliant.
make it brilliant. Yes, I understand.
Yes.
We have this in India also. It's a good work. Yes.
Which car do you have?
I have Suzuki and Maruti. Maruti is an Indian. Yes.
Yes.
So I have a Brezza. Brezza is a mini SUV, compact SUV.
Small.
No, not small.
Non troppo compatto.
Medium size.
Suzuki. Okay.
Suzuki is better. Good. Yes.
Come.
A sports car, no?
So we are doing, this is, the wheel. We are repairing. This is not the wheel of this car.
So
no?
this is not. You are not going to sell it. We're just
Seller.
repairing it. Okay. And what about this car? This is all open.
It's all open because he has a damage.
Okay.
You see?
So this
part
was.
is damaged.
Oh, maybe
And this part
it
is
was an accident.
Big accident. The preparation part.
Sure. Another. And this part.
That is getting, the new parts are being put. Here, this is a different car. This is Honda.
From there, you remove the parts, and then the car comes here.
We remove the car. There are many places
Okay, there
where
are many
they
places.
use
All
them.
right. Got
Yes.
it.
This is Honda, and we are repairing. They prepare the car for the painting. We redo the painting. Need to paint the new
Wow,
parts.
wow, good, very good.
Mercedes
Cost here?
also expensive.
Expensive here, yeah.
40,000.
40,000, yeah, same.
50,000.
You know-
Even this, I don't like. They made a new type.
Okay.
I'll
If it
show
is
you.
come, you know, in India, you can get a decent car in 10,000 euros.
There are here you don't get with 10.
I know. They are expensive brands. I know. La Moderna car workshop is one of the best, or maybe the best in Civitanova Marche. And if you have a car and you want to repair it, and if you are from Marche region, and if you have money,
No.
okay. If you don't have money, then you can come here.
No.
I mean to say, if you want the right service, if your car will be very well maintained, and they are very good in customer dealing, and they are working here for I think 40 years in this business.
More than 40 years.
More than 40 years in this business, and Mr. Andrea Starnoni is an excellent person, and his daughter, you know, she is a wonderful singer. That's her another profile, but this is her this is also her one of the profile where she works, and this is her business. She works with her father, and also their other family members are here. So if you want to repair your cars, this is the best place for you. Benvenuti.
Welcome.
Oh, so look at this. Mamma mia, Maestro Suraj Nirwan. So yes, sponsored by Mercedes.
Yes,
Very
sponsored
nice.
by Mercedes.
So this is your table. This is where
This
you
is
work.
my table.
Sono molto felice. Grazie.
You wear the cap.
Cap?
Uh,
Yes, I can wear.
No, guarda.
do you wear there in India?
Sometimes. Yes.
Ok, qualche volta lo indosso.
Vuoi
But why?
Mercedes
Do you want
o BMW?
Mercedes or BMW you want?
Anyone which you think. The one which you will gift me, if you are giving me, I will buy the car one day. So
Quello che
whatever.
regali vuol dire che un giorno ne...
One day
Comprerò quella macchina.
the car will come to me.
Blu o chiaro?
Anyone you like. It's up to you.
All Mercedes.
Mercedes?
Fai
Yes,
tutto Mercedes.
maybe. Yes, okay.
All Mercedes, no?
Sure.
So this,
Thank you.
this,
Thank you so much.
and the pen.
Wow.
You see the pen
So maybe the God will bless me with
with the Mercedes.
yes.
Portachiavi.
Lovely.
You can take
This
the
is
keys.
the key ring.
Portachiavi.
Yes, keyring. And here you can take all your keys. So
Okay.
that you can take like this
Okay.
and bring your here.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shanti. Scusa?
Corsa.
Yes, Corsa. Yes. Look at this. Wow.
Businessman.
Okay, now it's time to leave. Carrozzeria La Moderna. Guys, definitely come here if you have a car and if it needs repair. If you are in Marche, Italy, it is more convenient. Of course, you can't come from India, but if you come from India, you can definitely visit Civitanova Marche. Grazie.